Now to learn like this. You see everyone, if one to all how, and I don't know how to find to see you. This very old, very old, brother. This one, and you see like this, and around to the forest. Yes, and this one, this is my motorbike, my hat, my glasses. Yeah, this one glasses, and doll. I like doll, a bear, and the red one. Yeah, the red one. And this one my soccer. This is nice. The name is Kawasaki. Yeah, this one the Kawasaki. And I have to like the models. Yes, this from like a denture. It's okay. Yes, this one. It's a good man. It's so good. But I don't know how to tell you from the man over there. It's all the small one. And how for the palm tree? You need a palm tree. Yeah. So in Cambodia, have to the many had the palm tree. You look around to the right field. So far, so short, so long is many for the palm tree. Sometimes if from in Cambodia have to the long time and the long year, it's a very like same from my uncle what in German from Seven. He from to the palm tree, and there you see over there from the mountain. Yeah, but I want to show you soon. Okay, you see the mountain over there. Yeah, but I don't know. I'm sorry, so I don't know for the mountain over there, but I show you from the palm tree over there and over there, and you look around from the palm tree. You see, yes, is many palm tree. So the palm tree is like only one house or one boat. Yeah, you see like this. Okay, this one is palm tree, only one house, but very old, but it's good. Yeah, it's good, very good, very good. And the people he some to smoke at night. Yeah, you see from the cutter over there and smoke over there, and it's bad. But I don't know, so it's the premium. So I show you for the right field. I'm sorry. So over there, the right field, and very field, but it's not right. It's very grass. So the right field is the ground is the another one from the people he some sell or rent. But this one from 1 hectare, 3 hectare is too many like yes, very expensive. From here, it's I don't know from the show you from the people have to the round over there. Yes, so over there you see on the finger. Yeah. So today I come to in holiday for me, but my motorbike is from to compression like 230, very fast and very dangerous for me. And the brake is no brake today. In front no brake. Yeah, but I don't know how to drive so fast on the palm tree road and very fly road. I don't know from today is maybe to the palm tree road on the field, because my field. Yes, you see this one very bad, but in the road very good for me on the highway. And you see this one no brake. Yeah, but you see it like that, no brake, and very chain like everything, and have only expensive. I have to talk to mechanic is only one is $50, and this one, yeah, 1 2 3 only $350. Oh my god, it's very expensive. but on the Siem Reap, only 3 days is a $30. Why? Because the Siem Reap is a small city and the many have from this one. Many on have. But on the Phnom Penh, another one. This and the 3 shop $50. Same. But on the because the Phnom Penh have do not this one. Do not only do not motorbike, no big motorbike. But I don't know. So on the Siem Reap is the small city. Oh sorry, the small city only have many bike. In Siem Reap, like the big bike is same, but have only like animal, like everything for like bridge. Yes. So I don't know. So today I show you from to the right field and the field and the pumpy road, slide road, everything. But you comment for me on the YouTube, everything. So, but I'm sorry. So today I'm not from GoPro. Yeah, I'm so far, but I can go back to Siem Reap. I come back to Siem Reap only 1 week. But I live in Phnom Penh. I come to work from Phnom Penh. Yes. So today I'm not go to Siem Reap, but today in holiday for me. I want to ride on the field. Yeah, but it's my field is cannot. Yeah, you see. You see over there, brother. Yes, this. You see this? This. It's very not, not dry. Yes, it's not good. So today I go from this Meruk is my friend. So I do not practice. Yes, brother. Okay, brother. Bye bye. See you again and see you next time. This is my motorbike. I like and I love it.